In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your plan on Claude AI. So if you wish to move to a higher plan or even to move to a lower plan, then let me show you how you can do it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To upgrade your plan on Claude AI, it's pretty simple. You can go ahead and just log into your account and go to your chat homepage. And as you can see, we have an option to upgrade here. If you tap on upgrade, you'll be taken to payment plans. You can now go ahead and choose your preferred plan. Currently, I'm on a free plan and we have two other more plans that I can switch to. Alternatively, if I go back, you can also upgrade by expanding the sidebar. So I'll tap on expand or open sidebar and then go ahead and tap on your profile icon down below. You can see here, if I tap on it, we have an option to upgrade plan. If I tap on this, it will take me to the paywall here where I can now go ahead and choose my preferred plan to upgrade. So that's how you can upgrade your plan on Claude AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.